Science 3. Measure the length and width of different natural objects, like leaves, using a measuring tool. Quarter 2. Week 2. Day 1. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to measure the length and width of different natural objects, like leaves, using a measuring tool. Today we will solve a puzzle together. Our goal is to work together and complete the picture. Look at the puzzle pieces. Which piece goes to number 1? A. Look at the puzzle pieces. Which piece goes to number 2? C. Look at the puzzle pieces. Which piece goes to number 3? B. Letter D goes to number 4. What does this puzzle show? Measuring. What do you do when measuring? What tools can we use to measure objects, such as leaves? We use tools such as a ruler and a meter stick to make our observations on length, height, and width of objects more accurate. Let us say we have a plant twig. If we want to measure how long the twig is, we place a ruler next to it. The double-headed arrow, left-right arrow, tells us to measure the length from one end of the twig to the other end. How do you know that a plant is growing? How do we know that leaves are getting bigger? Today, we will learn how to measure leaves accurately using rulers, just like scientists do when they study plant growth. Read the following sentence and explain the meaning of the underlined words using context clues. The width of a leaf influences how it catches sunlight. When measuring, always place the ruler on a straight surface. If placed on a curved surface, the measurement will be inaccurate. Do leaves have the same length and width? No, leaves have different length and width. Why do leaves differ in length and width? Why do leaves differ in length and width? They differ in length and width because they have different shape and sizes. Plant leaves vary in shape and size. Their lengths and widths also vary. We measure leaf sizes to track plant growth and to check if the plant is healthy. Aside from the ruler, what other simple equipment can you use to accurately measure the length and width of leaves? Meter stick and tape measure. A tape measure also has millimeter and centimeter markings and is handy. How could measuring leaves help farmers or scientists? For farmers, check plant growth. Bigger or longer leaves can show that the plant is healthy. For scientists, study plant health. Leaf size and shape can give clues about how plants grow in different places. Complete the sentences. I can measure the length of a leaf from one end of its longest part. I can measure the width of a leaf across the widest part of the leaf and measure from one edge to the opposite edge. Leaves differ in length and width because they differ in sizes and shapes.